Another review, as I promised you. Now this time I'm angry. You know, I'd watched Lionheart, and I promised I was going to do Lionheart's review. So I thought, let me watch it again and fresh, just in case I'll going to get another new insight that I will share with you. I now typed Lionheart on YouTube, and there this movie pops out, 3 hours. And I was saying to myself, I can't remember Lionheart being 3 hours. All of a sudden, I see Genevive. So I'm like, what did I miss the first time I watched Lionheart? Was Genevive sitting in a village kind of setting? What's going on? Different movie producers have decided that because Lionheart is thriving, every movie will now be Lionheart. So if you type Lionheart, you will watch up to 50 different types. I hear that this is what is causing problem in Nigeria. You will now spend money on data, download the wrong movie. It's only when you finish downloading it you find that it's the wrong movie. It happened to me. Also set in the East, starring Genevive, but this time Genevive is a blind woman and is poor. So no, it's not that Lionheart. You need to have more information about it before you watch. So don't settle in, don't download till you are sure you're downloading the right thing. Anyway, so Genevieve is a blind girl and an orphan, and she lived alone with her brother Edochie. And she had this village charlatan that was just so in love with this blind, beautiful girl. And he was always coming to try to take advantage of her. Beginning of the scene, she sent her brother off to go buy her a car. So immediately he goes, the charlatan comes in. I don't even want to call his name because it was quite annoying. And Genevieve senses him and she fights him off, and then she runs out. Rushes into a car, and it was Desmond Elliot. Desmond comes out and shouts at her, and she says, oh, sorry, I'm blind. And he apologizes, and he puts her in the car, and he takes her to go look for her brother. The brother is really good. Edochie is one of the man of the movie for me. I just loved his character. That little encounter, Genevieve falls in love with Desmond Elliot's nature. So Genevieve was a lucky girl in that movie. So the first surgeon did the surgery. The nurse, as they came out of the theater, the nurse is the one that goes to tell Desmond that the surgery was a success. Is it not normally the surgeon that comes to give the news? But Nigeria, that's it. The nurse, he says it's successful. What if they removed the bandage and it wasn't successful? All right, let's cut the long story short. Genevieve was just a lucky girl, yeah? She does the surgery, it works out, except her knight in shining armor, who is Desmond, is locked up by the village charlatan. He was kidnapped. What happened again? Then, the doctor adopts her, giving her a good life. She meets another fine man, falls in love, is about to marry them. Then Desmond reappears. Anyway, ends happily ever after. So yes, this is another review of Lionheart. And if you Google it, it will come out Lionheart season 1, then season 2. But for the day I watched it, it presented all at once. 3 good hours is what I spent watching this. So you better like my review. I had to watch it 3 hours to be able to bring this review. In the end, I liked it. I picked out a few lessons from it, and I'm able to share it with you. So if you want to watch it, type Lionheart season 1. Lionheart season 2. So you will see Genevieve, you will see Desmond Elliot. Those are the 2 names I remember. I enjoyed it, finally. So keep watching, keep sharing, and keep commenting. Give me some love so that I can feel more excited to do this for you. Your girl Millie.